properties of multiplication. Property of multiplication. Number one, commutative property. The product of two numbers does not change with change in the order of numbers. This is called commutative property. So the product of two numbers does not change with a change in the order of numbers. This is called commutative property. Number one, commutative property. Commutative property. See, example. If we multiply 10 into 6, we will get 60. But if we multiply with changing their positions, then 6 into 10, then also we will get 60. So this types of we can write 10 into 6, you can write 6 into 10, and B 7 into 12 equal to 12 into 7, or 20 into 30 equal to 30 into 20. So these types of state we can see, we can write commutative property. Examples. Number two, associative property. Associative property. Examples. The definition of property will not need. Just we have to see the examples. By see the examples, we can find out the associative property or commutative or distributive. So by example we can understand. So associative property is okay. If we write 5 into 3 into 7, if we put bracket in there, then we can write this 5 into 3 into 7. We can put bracket in between them. Same thing, answer will not change, answer will be the same. So if we put bracket in 5 and 3, and in next line, next on the other side of the equal, if we put the bracket in 3 and 7, this also a same, answer will not change. Same answer will not change. Number B, if we write 3 into 5 into 7, if we put bracket in there, then we can put like this 3 and 5 in bracket into 7. This is called associative property. And another example, 40 into 100 into 25. 40 into 100 into 25. If we bracket in, put bracket in there, or we can put bracket in there, no problem. Another 40 into 25 into 100, or if we write 40 into 100 into 25. This is also a commutative property because we are changing their state, no problem. But if we give bracket in there, or we can write bracket in there. So these types of things are called associative. Next, distributive property. Number 3, distributive property. Wait 1 minute. See, if we multiply, examples. Number, if we multiply, suppose 5 into 3 plus 2, then how we will write? See, 5 into 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 bracket in bracket, okay? Then we have to multiply 5 first with 3, then with 2. So 5 into 3 first, so it means 5 into 3. Then this sign will come here, plus. Then 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Number B, if you see, 5 into 3 minus 2. Same process, 5 into 3 first, then put minus here, then put 5 into 2. Okay? If you see 3 plus 2 into 5, then also same, 3 into 5, then put plus, then put 2 into 5. Number 3, 3 minus 2 into 5. Then let me see, 3 into 5 first, 3 into 5 first, then minus, then 2 into 5. This is a distributive property.